Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart Money Card. First, you'll need to activate your card. You can do this easily online or by calling the number provided. Be ready to share some basic personal details for verification, which helps keep your account secure. Once activated, you'll set up a 4-digit PIN. Remember this PIN, as it's essential for making purchases and accessing cash at ATMs. This quick activation process ensures your card is ready for use in just a few minutes. Adding money to your Walmart Money Card is straightforward. You can load cash at any Walmart register or money center, typically for a small fee, and the funds are usually available within 10 minutes. For a free and convenient option, set up direct deposit for your paychecks or government benefits, ensuring your money is available on payday. You can also transfer funds electronically from an existing bank account or even another debit card, giving you multiple flexible ways to keep your card funded. Using your Walmart Money Card for everyday spending is simple. It functions just like a regular debit card, accepted anywhere Visa or MasterCard debit cards are welcomed, whether you're shopping in a store or online. You can also conveniently pay your bills directly from your card account using the mobile app or website, saving you time and stamps. If you need cash, you can withdraw it at any ATM using your 4-digit PIN. Just be aware that some ATM owners might charge a small fee. Effectively managing your Walmart Money Card account is easy with the available tools. You can check your balance and review all your transactions at any time using the convenient mobile app or by logging into the website. To stay informed, set up alerts that notify you of purchases, deposits, or when your balance drops below a certain amount. Should you ever have questions or need assistance, customer support is readily available by phone or through online chat, ensuring you always have help when you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.